Hey folks, while working with Hybris in local system, you will usually get an issue of Hybris license expired. Let me just show you how that license expired error looks. So whenever you hit this Hybris.sh command, it will actually start the Hybris. But right now, since your Hybris license is expired, so you won't be able to start your server, and it will keep you giving this error like license verification has failed. So you can see that message is quite rendered many times, right? SAP Hybris comes with 90 days trial license. Once it is expired, you will need to initialize the Hybris, and with initialize, you will lose everything from database. Also, you won't be able to start your Hybris server, and build will also fail. So in this video, I will show you how you can temporarily install Hybris license again with 90 days trial without doing any initialization. So this is our first command which we should run always from platform. Guys, do note you have to be in platform folder of Hybris while running commands. All commands whatever I will be providing you shortly. So let's set this command and see the results. You can see the license has been expired, and these are the dates when the last installation was done. Let's move to the next command. Here after CPS, this is our hardware key which I have copied from here, and this is our SW product. That is nothing but software product. You need to copy paste both information and just press enter. Deleted the old license which was expired. Let's move to the next command. Hit it. So you can see it says first temporary license key has been installed. So now if we try to run show command again, you can see here it is saying now it's a valid one. We have successfully installed our trial license of Hybris again without doing any initialization. You are good to go now. You can build and restart your server. Happy coding guys. Keep watching. See you in the next video. Thank you.